Hi everyone, this is Al Brooks, and I want to quickly review what took place today. As I said on the open, yesterday had multiple big reversals, and I thought today would be an inside day, that we would not go above yesterday's high, we would not go below yesterday's low, and that we would stay pretty much in the middle third of yesterday's range. We had a big gap up on the open, and bar 1 had a prominent tail on top, and that's not a good stop entry bar for the bulls or the bears. Bar 2, a bear inside bar with a tail below, tail above, probably a limit order market, sellers above somewhere around the 2 averages and buyers below. And then bar 3, we got a new low of the day and a new high of the day and a close above 1. So we're probably going higher. I don't know how much higher. Maybe to the top of the middle third of yesterday's range, maybe to the top of yesterday's sell climax up here, maybe all the way up there. It's not strongly bullish. We have a big tail. The bar is not very big. It did not close above the moving average, but it did close above 1. And then 5, we have a second reversal down, bar 2, bar 5, but it's a doji bar after 2 bull bars. We're probably always in long, and we're probably going higher, so I would not sell below 5. 6, it's a high 1. The bulls are hoping it's a bull trend that began with 2, but it's 4 bars sideways with prominent tails, not all that bullish. 7, we went up, we went down, a possible wedge with 1, 4, and 7, but I would not sell below 7. It's a bull bar, and we've only had 1 bear bar today, so probably more sideways to up. 8, a bull inside bar closing on its high. We did not go below 7. We did not trigger the sell. It's a buy and a small pullback bull trend, but I'm not sure how high up we go. So if you buy, I would be reasonably quick to get out if you're disappointed. Bar 10, a micro double top. 9, a micro wedge with 7, 9, 10. A wedge with 4, 7, and 10, but only a tiny body and a small pullback bull trend. I would not take that short. 11, a high 1, similar to 6, similar to 8, but 2 dojis, probably more sideways to the moving average. 12, now a wedge, different ways to look at it, 4 or 7, and then 10 and 12. But 3 dojis right above the moving average, I would not take that short. And then 14, outside up, a bull bar closing near its high, a double bottom 11. It's a possible buy, but so far not all that bullish. We may break above 12 and accelerate up. Always in long, nothing to sell, but not a great buy. 15, now we have consecutive bull bars closing on their highs and both above the moving average. It looks like we're probably going to break above 12. And if it's a big bar closing near its high, it could lead to a trend up. I still think we'll have a hard time getting much above this. And I don't think we'll get much above the middle third of yesterday's range. And then 16, we have a bull surprise. So we're probably going to get at least a small second leg sideways to up. It's by the market, by the close, 3 consecutive bull bars closing near their highs. We'll probably get a follow-through bull bar, and we did, 17. But now we've had 2 bull bars breaking above 12, and we're in the middle of yesterday's trading range. We're probably going to get a pullback soon. However, we should get a second leg up. 18, a high 1, but a doji bar. I think we may go up a little bit, but I suspect that it's warning us that there's not much left to the trend, and that we'll soon start to form a trading range. And so it's not a great high 1. And you can see we broke above it 19, but a small bar and a tail, and then 20, a bigger tail, probably a micro wedge, 17, 19, 20. 21, I would not buy the 21 low. However, I would consider buying near the moving average. I would get out of longs below 21, or you can use a wide stop and buy more lower. 22, a bear surprise. After a buy climax, we'll probably get a couple legs sideways to down to the moving average. 23, a high 1, but after the bear bar 22, we should get a second leg down, so I do not want to buy above 23. And then another bear surprise, 24. A trading range is more likely than a bear trend, so there probably are more bulls buying the close and buying the moving average than there are bears selling the close, so I still would not sell. A high 1 bar 25, but a tail and a 6 bar bear micro channel, and there's room to the moving average. Probably sellers above 25, I would not take the buy. And for the bears, 26, a double top bear flag, 23, but a bull bar and probably buyers at the moving average. Not good for stop entry traders. Limit order trading. 28, a 20 gap bar buy at the moving average with a decent body, and it's a wedge bull flag, 22, 24, and 27. But the chart is in a trading range, and the rally is not particularly strong. It's probably a bull leg in a trading range, and therefore we should disappoint the bulls. And that means we should fall at least a tick below the 12 high. And therefore, I don't want to buy above 28. I'll wait to see if we break up strongly to the upside. Did not. 30, it's a bear bar closing near its low. I think we're going to dip below the 12 high, but it's a tight trading range. 2 bull bars right above the moving average. Not a good buy. Not a good sell. And then 31, a double bottom, 28, but a bear doji after a big bear bar. And we should fall below the 12 high. So I'm not going to buy above 31. 32, a low one and a small pullback bear trend, but a bull bar at the moving average. I would not sell below 32. There will be some traders selling below the 28 low. The bulls will give up there. The bears might sell, hoping for a measured move down. I think we're going to drop at least one tick below the 12 high. We might get down to the 14 low. I'm not sure that we'll get a lot lower. 33. A breakout below the double bottom, or breakout below the wedge bull flag. Might go down for a measured move. 35, a micro double bottom, a possible failed breakout. We should get a second leg down after 33, so probably sellers above 35. And that's it for the first 90 minutes. Until we're around 9 o'clock, so I'm going to stop talking right here. This sell-off is probably a bear leg in a trading range. We're testing the 14 low. We're testing the 60-minute moving average. It's possible it could be an endless pullback and a bear trend, but it's more likely it's going to be the opposite of this. This was a bull leg in a trading range, and we're currently probably in a bear leg in a trading range. All right, hope everybody has a good day. Thank you.